Break is a statement that exits from a while loop and continues with the next statement. This statement isn't explicitly defined on IBM's websites for TM1, so be mindful that there could be unintended consequences when using this statement, where it's been discovered that two or more break statements within a while loop could cause an infinite loop. So please stick to one break statement within a while loop so that you can achieve its intended action. The syntax for the break statement has no arguments. In this demo, I'm going to show you how the break statements works and a situation that will cause an infinite loop. This function can only be used for TurboIntegrator. In IBM Planning Analytics Workspace, I have set up a count that starts at 0 and increments by 1 at the end of the while loop. Here, I've set up a while loop that will always run. If the count equals to 1, this break function will exit the loop. This line will increment count by 1. And an item skip has been placed here to capture when the break statement exits the loop. So that you can see what's happening at each step, I'm going to put breakpoints here. Turn on the debugger, debug the process, and continue, which will stop the process at the first breakpoint. Now keep an eye out on the variable count where it has been initialized at 0. When I continue again, the count will change to 1 because the 10th line has incremented the variable. With count equaling 1 and matching the condition in the if statement, the process will break out of the while loop and stop at item skip. To show you the situation that causes an infinite loop, I'm going to add another if statement that contains another break statement. With this new logic, the while loop should still exit when count equals 1. Let's add more breakpoints and run the debugger. Now keep an eye on the variable count. When I continue through the while statements for the first time, count has incremented to 1. With count equaling to 1, when I get to the if statement on line 10, this logic should return true and run the break statements. However, when I continue, the process will loop back up, count will still be 1, and this begins the infinite loop.